Inaba Denko America's Paircoil line set features pre-paired and pre-insulated lines with wear-resistant insulation and malleable copper tubing. With 9 ASTM ratings, it's expertly engineered for easy installation and offered in a variety of sizes to accommodate any project. The suction and liquid lines are pre-paired and run simultaneously down the line set, saving labor time and cost. The lines are pre-insulated with durable industrial-grade insulation, offering superior long-term protection against wear and tear. The copper tubing is malleable to fit various angles, reducing the risk of kinking. With length markers every foot, cut indentations every quarter inch, and the ability to be separated by hand, this line set ensures easy installation. Paircoil sets the industry standard, boasting 9 ASTM ratings, including being resistant to flame, UV, water, and cold weather, for exceptional durability and reliability. Available in a variety of sizes, Paircoil can accommodate any project needs. Contact us to order your Paircoil line set today.